Welcome back. And in this section, we will discuss how to become a fashion consultant. Because fashion consultant is one of the most popular emerging jobs in fashion. This job involves helping clients with their wardrobe while keeping in mind their taste, body type, personality, and career. If you have a love of fashion, an eye for trends, attention to detail, a healthy dose of creativity, and strong social networking skills, this could be the perfect job for you. Complete your education, gain experience with an internship, network at fashion events, and build following on social media to be successful at this exciting and creative career. So I will tell you step by step. Completing your education. Obtain your high school diploma or GED. The job requires a high school diploma or equivalent. So make sure to apply yourself and finish school. If your high school offers these classes, take art design and sewing to familiarize yourself with foundational concepts in fashion. And earn a bachelor's degree in a fashion related field, because degrees for the fashion industry include art, fashion, merchandising, and marketing. A degree is not required, but getting one will give you more options and make you qualified for higher end jobs. A degree from a prestigious institute such as FIT will look even better and give you more credibility. Take classes in retail, garments, fashion designing, image building, clothes designing, garment merchandising, or textile research. Getting a bachelor's degree will help you get experience with the process of making clothes, including fabric and production, as well as color theory and design. And get a specialized certification. Professional organization and fashion institutes such as FIT and Parsons offer specialized training and certificates that can help expand your skill set and boost your resume. Some of FIT's certifications include draping, making, etc. And become familiar with the fashion industry outside of your courses. Take time to dwell into your passion. This will help expand your knowledge and show employers that you are passionate and dedicated to what you do. Read books and magazines on the fashion industry. Learn how to pronounce brand names and research different jobs in fashion and how they function in the industry. Guys, I hope you understand. In the next lecture, I will teach you gaining experience. So see you in the next lecture.